Hello, good morning students.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
So perhaps all of you are aware about the today's session. Today's session is about introduction on entrepreneurship. So we are organizing this session to make you aware about the entrepreneurship. First, before I start, I would like to mention that what is entrepreneurship? You need to be clear first. Entrepreneurship actually is about to start a business, about to start a venture. That may be manufacturing unit, that may be marketing unit, whatever it may be. But you must be a starter. You must be the owner of that concerned venture. So that means entrepreneurship refers to run business, to design business, to manage the business in order to make profit by taking risk. So entrepreneurship involves your willingness. First you need to be willing, you need to be interested to start a venture. Then you need to design for the business, you need to manage the business, you need to start the business. After that there is a long life cycle of that business life cycle. Over the different periods of business life cycle, your business will move through different ups and downs. Sometimes your business will be in recovery phase, sometimes in boom, sometimes in top, boom in the sense top, sometimes declining stage and recessionary phase also. Like business cycle, there will be different phases of business cycle. So over the different phases of business cycle, your business will run. But you need to take the risk, you need to take the challenge in order to make profit. See, in order to make profit in a sense, since you are the owner, you are the entrepreneur, so you will get the profit, that is your income. So income can be earned in different way also. Income can be generated in different way also. Instead of running your own business, if you are an employee, if you work in another organization, if you work as join as in service in different organization, from there also you can earn, you can generate your income, you can run your family. But where the differences lie between the entrepreneurship and to become an employee in any organization, the differences are, if you are an entrepreneur, then you will get profit. That profit will be much higher than the amount of money you earn or you will earn in any other organization as an employee. This is the first difference. Second difference, if you join as an employee in any organization, there you are getting job, your employment is generated, you are getting the employment. But if you run your organ venture, if you are the entrepreneur, in that case, you are generating employment opportunities for many people, for others also. You are employed in your own organization as well as you are generating employment opportunities, giving the employment opportunities to others also. More people will be employed in your organization. So it is not only for the help of your colony or in your state, but it is the help for the nation as well. So those are the basic differences to run an entrepreneurial activity or to join in other venture. So this is about entrepreneurship. Now, who can become the entrepreneur? First of all, the entrepreneur or that entrepreneurial skill is within the students by birth. No, it can be learned. It can be learned. So first of all, you should have that mindset, entrepreneurial mindset. So for that, what should you have? You must be willing to start a venture. So willingness is the first condition to become an entrepreneur. If you are willing to start a new venture, if you want to be a entrepreneur, if you are willing to be the entrepreneur, then second question arises, your skill. That means you have to acquire the adequate skill to run that entrepreneurial activities or to run that new venture. So where from will you acquire that entrepreneurial skill? You should have a training. You need to join in a training. So Nopal Institute of Management Studies, in addition to your BBA, BCA or hospital is providing entrepreneurial training also. For that purpose, Nopal Institute of Management Studies has made a tie-up with Wadhwani Foundation based in Bangalore. So that foundation, Wadhwani Foundation, has a national entrepreneurial network. It works throughout the world. Different countries it also works. So it used to train the trainees, those who are willing to join in entrepreneurial activities, those who are willing to make a startup, those who want to start a new venture. Your venture initially will be small, gradually over the different phases of business cycle that will reach to the mature stage. Because of the business cycle, different economic scenarios, different phases of business cycle, there will be moves, there will be ups and downs of the business. You have to take the challenge where your risk will be involved. So by taking risk, you will get profit. Profit will be much higher than the amount of money you earn or you will earn by joining in any other organization. So about entrepreneurship, I shall be giving you one presentation, small presentation. You just have a look at PPT slides so that your concept will be clear. How you will be going through that training on different pages. There are two modules of this entrepreneurial training. One is fundamental and another is advanced. Those who will join in fundamental, they have to complete advanced also, provided they pass the fundamental section, fundamental course. In between that, nobody can leave. So if you are promoted to the advanced after completion of the fundamental, then you need to continue with the advanced course also. So please have a look the PPT slide I am presenting now. Your concept will be clear. How this, what is Wadhwani Foundation? How do they conduct this training? That is online mode. They reach to the student. They reach to the class, and they provide the training. And also they used to guide the students, the trainees, how these entrepreneurial activities can be completed. How can somebody become a successful entrepreneur? All those things are taken care by the training. So have a look this first condition which I have said, you must have the interest, you must be willing to join in entrepreneurial activities. You must have wish to start a new venture. If you have that mindset, then you may come forward to join in this program. But there will be selection. That selection will be conducted by the Wadhwani Foundation. That you need to go through this, then you will get the chance. Once you are selected, you will get the chance. In between that, after selection, you cannot leave. So before that, you need to take decision. But first, you just have a look on the PPT slide what I am presenting now. I hope this slide, first slide is displayed to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As I have said, entrepreneurship, you must have entrepreneurial skills. Before that, you need to have the interest. So I hope all of you are interested or will be interested, those who will join in this program. Second condition, you should have the entrepreneurial skill. To acquire that entrepreneurial skill, I said that you need to have a training. That training will be conducted by Wadhwani Foundation through National Entrepreneurship Network. That Adani Foundation has tie-up with Pan Institute of Management Studies. So monitoring and everything will be taken care by us. That will be online, virtual mode. They will reach to the student, they will reach to the classroom, but by online only. So let us have a presentation. This is about National Entrepreneurial Network by Adani Foundation in collaboration with Nopani Institute of Management Studies. What is entrepreneurship? As I have said, you should have a startup. You should have interest to make a startup. After that, over different phases of business cycle, your business will move. There will be ups and downs of the business, like different phases of business cycle, and your business will reach to the maturity stage. And also, whenever there are economic depression, recession, or anything else, then your business may move down. So that challenge you have to take, that risk you have to take. There will be risks, there will be uncertainties, but there must be profit at the end. May not be in the phase of recession, but maybe after the phase of recession, you will reach to the, you will generate the profit. Now the question arises, what the benefits you will get if you join in entrepreneurial network. Entrepreneurship education teaches the students crucial life skills. As I have said, it is nothing but the attaining required entrepreneurial skill. So you have to attain the entrepreneurial skill. For that, what you need how to collaborate and work with a team. So team building is one of the most important part of entrepreneurial activity to gain the entrepreneurial skill. How to speak in public and prepare an effective presentation. How to collect and analyze data. You have conducted the market research. You need to, unless you analyze the data, you won't be able to reach to the conclusion. Unless you reach to the conclusion, you cannot take any decision. How to use social media for your advertisement or to reach to the masses about your existence, social media. How to solve real complex problems. How to use curiosity and creativity to find an innovative approach to difficult problems. How will you solve? How will you reach? How will you take the decision in difficult situation when there is uncertainty, when there is risk, when there is a problem among the laborers, conflict among the management. So how will you reach the solution? Conflict among the employees, grievances of the employees, how will you resolve those? So those are all the part of entrepreneurial activities. So you will attain those skills, you will gain those skills to this entrepreneurial training. Those are the benefits. If you can overcome, if you can reach to that, if you possess those skills among yourself, in yourself, then automatically entrepreneurial activities will be inculcated, will be developed, and then you will be the successful entrepreneur. Those are the benefits in joining this entrepreneurial training. Why? Creating jobs, as I have already said. You are not creating job for you, you are creating job for others. Several people will be employed in your organization. So it is not only the benefit of a particular society, it is the whole country, whole nation will be benefited. So benefit will go to the nations too. Changing lives, life will be changed, you will be earning a huge amount of profit, which is much higher than the income you earn or the money you earn by joining as an employee in other organizations. Scaling impact through technology, networks, partnership across Asia, Africa. Latin America, all over the world, is name of Wadhwani Foundation is conducting this training. This is about National Entrepreneurial Network. So from this picture you can understand this, how the entrepreneur move ahead. Then the organization with whom we have tie up, the Wadhwani Foundation. Wadhwani Foundation, Dr. Ramesh Wadhwani is the founder of this Wadhwani Foundation. I don't want to talk much about him. He's already written all over 20 countries. This Wadhwani Foundation are conducting their training to train the trainees only. Means those who are fresh entrepreneurs, those who are willing to join in entrepreneurial activities, those who want to become the entrepreneur. That is why if you talk or if you think about this pandemic situation, just we are about to overcome this situation, there were many people who lost their jobs and all. At the end of this hour, at this entrepreneurial activities or entrepreneurship is very much important or is needed at this hour. So Wadhwani Foundation will be conducting the training. Teachers will be appointed who will conduct this training. This is about Wadhwani Foundation. Different skills, already I have said, practice, launch your real venture. Those are the different phases. Before that, I would like to mention that this training will be conducted, though this training will be conducted by this Wadhwani Foundation, and Nopal Institute of Management Studies has tied up with Wadhwani Foundation, and this Wadhwani Foundation will appoint teachers to train the trainees, means those who will be joining. And from our side, there will be one mentor. Mentor is Mr. Joeb Choudhury. So who is the in charge of this computer lab. He will be mentoring your this total this training sessions. So he will be always with you. He will have interaction. He will be explaining you how this training will be organized in different phases. What are the steps that will be involved to complete this session, to complete the whole entrepreneurial session in two modules. That one is fundamental, another is advanced. So everything will be explained, and after that also he will be guiding you to complete your project, because different projects will be assigned to you to complete this task, to complete this training program. So he will be always with you. If you have any question, that he will be the person who will answer. After that, you will also be gradually contacted with the concerned person of Wadhwani Foundation who will be teaching you, who will be appointed to conduct your training. So you will have this touch with them as well as Mr. Joeb Choudhury. So you will be acquiring knowledge. I have already said this is most important part to become an entrepreneur. So those are the steps. Develop a business model. You need to develop that, may be dummy model, maybe imaginary model. You need to generate the funds for that. That will be guided by the trainer. Develop customers, channels, traction, build a marketing and communication strategy, build revenue streams, pricing, cash flows, and raising capital, fund generation. I already said in the beginning that you should have the entrepreneurial mindset. For entrepreneurial mindset, the nitty-gritties are mental toughness, embarrassing uncertainties. Uncertainties will be there. I said you have to manage. You should have patience for that. Thinking skill, most important, you will develop through this training. Emotional resilience, adaptability quotient, and think out of the box. Most important part. Always you have to think out of the box. That's what you will be assigned the projects also, to think out of the box, different idea generation, which are also the part of the entrepreneurial activities that will develop through this entrepreneurial training. This program details already I have said. There will be two modules. One is fundamental, another is advanced. Total duration of these two modules, 1 year. So within 1 year, these two modules will be completed, fundamental and advanced. Mr. Joeb Choudhury will explain the duration of each modules, and in each module how those different activities will be conducted and how it will be promoted from fundamental to advanced. To join in fundamental, there will be screening to be conducted by the Wadhwani Foundation. After screening, those will be qualifying that. These qualified students will join in fundamental, and then after completion of fundamental advanced course, those promoted students will join. That time nobody can refuse that, no, I have done this fundamental, so I don't want to continue in advance. No, that is not possible. If you join in fundamental, you have to complete, you have to join in advance, and you have to complete also. That you need to think. Already we have completed our last batch, already completed fundamental. They are in the phase of advanced course. So we have achieved certain things. We means our students only. It is the achievement of our students, not our achievement, because those students who qualified last year, they have completed fundamental. They are in advanced course already. So they have certain achievements. Those achievements, Mr. Joeb Choudhury, I would request him to explain in details. But here only I would like to mention that, say, Toy Friend, Nopani Institute of Management Studies got the highest marks in final out of 35, 34.5. But there are some other renowned institutions like Army Institute of Management, Bengal Institute of Business Studies, Birla Global University, Bhubaneswar, Vidyasagar University, Minnapur. So they are renowned institutions than Nopani Institute of Management Studies. But our activity, you see, we are the highest scorer. We means our students. So we are proud to that student that because of them only our institutions has got a name, or you can say it's a fame also. And PubCare, look at the PubCare winning practice venture. So here also we have certain achievements. I would request Mr. Joeb Choudhury, please explain the achievements in details. Perhaps I could not make it clear to the students the achievement, how we have succeeded in the last, from the last batch. Mr. Joeb Choudhury will explain. So overall, I would like to sum up this entrepreneurship. As I have said, it is something that you should have the willingness to join in entrepreneurial activities. Second, you should have the mindset, entrepreneurial mindset. If you have these two, willingness and entrepreneurial mindset, then you can join in the training program, because for to start a venture, as I have defined this, entrepreneurship means to start a venture or startup. So you need to have a certain skills. That skills have, those skills have to be gained, have to be acquired through training only. The training will be provided by Wadhwani Foundation, which have the collaboration with Nopani Institute of Management Studies, for which there are two modules. One is fundamental, another is advanced. With those two modules, you will fulfill you will achieve, or you will acquire the required skill, which will be very much essential for running a new business. Thank you very much. Now I am giving this session to Mr. Joeb Choudhury, who will be explaining you that about the nitty-gritties, in the sense that how the fundamental and basic courses will be completed by you, and some other rules and regulations also. But you have to remember that if somebody joins in fundamental, they have to complete in advance also. In the middle of the session, middle of this, nobody can leave. Thank you very much. So now Mr. Joeb Choudhury will be continuing.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. My name is Joeb Choudhury. I am your NAIN coordinator. Principal sir says all the things. I am just highlight on few things. First, there is a two type of program. Okay, and the total duration is 12 months, that is 1 year. 4 month is for fundamental and 4 month is for advanced course, and 4 month extra will be for extracurricular activities for your thoughts clearing. Okay, right? I am guiding you to entire the program to build your entrepreneurship thoughts and doubt clearance after your class, and more creative things I'll be guiding you anytime. Okay. If you join, 90% attendance is must. Okay. First, you joining through the exam that is conducted by the Wadhwani Foundation. And two type of courses must, advanced and fundamental. You not get your main course certificate if you not clear your entire entrepreneurship program. I am telling about fundamental. What are you listening fundamental? In fundamental, we create or polish your new business ideas and to become you as a successful entrepreneurship mind. In advance, we work in broader sector with practical knowledge, and if your idea is excellent, then Wadhwani Foundation provide you a good, healthy investor. I am saying last things, the achievement of last year student. Name open PhD day. क्या होता है कि अगर आपको वो एक मंथ, एक महीना बाद इंडिया के काफी बड़े जो बिजनेस ओनर है, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर जो काफी काम कर चुके हैं, उन लोगों के सामने अगर आपका प्रैक्टिस वेंचर जो इसमें आप काम कर रहे हो वो आइडिया अगर सही है, अगर बहुत हेल्दी है, तो आपको वो दिया जाएगा अचीवमेंट कि आप उन लोगों के सामने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन रखो, आपका क्या आइडियाज है। उन लोग आपको गाइड करेंगे कि आपके आइडियाज को आप अगर वो बेहतर है तो बेहतर है, अगर उसको आप और भी कैसे बेहतर से बेहतर कर सकते हो वो आइडिया वो लोग आपको देंगे। तो उसमें हमारे दो टीम, ये वुमेन नेटवर्क एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ ई लर्निंग, ये दोनों जन काफी ब्रिलियंटली प्रेजेंट किए थे। और सेकेंड, टॉय फ्रेंड एक हमारे एक प्रैक्टिस वेंचर थे जो एंड पब केयर प्रैक्टिस वेंचर में उन लोगों को जो इनोवेटिव आइडिया थे वो आइडिया इतना ब्रिलियंट थे कि उन लोगों को ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टर मिल चुका है, अपना ड्रीम पूरा करेंगे। तो बस यही है। वेलकम टू एंटरप्रेन्योर वर्ल्ड।